Hello everyone, in this video we are going to take an activity or look an activity of observing an stomata in a leaf pill. When you pick up a leaf and remove the upper structure, that is, we will remove if the protective tissue from this leaf structure. Then what does this protective tissue means? First of all, this is the outermost layer of the various part of the plant, that is the stem, root, flowers and the leaves. They mainly transform themselves into a protective tissue and they protect it from the mechanical injury and protect against mainly evaporation also. They mainly reduce the evaporation rate of evaporation. Mainly these protective tissues are classified into two types. The first one is epidermis and the second one is cork. First of all, we are going to learn about the epidermis. This is an structure. It is present on the outer side of the entire plant body, and these mainly the cell of the epidermal tissue forms a continuous layer without any intercellular space. We have learned it already before, and the epidermis had minute openings present on this epidermis are called stomata. The structure of stomata look like this. This has a kidney shaped two structures present, and these are called a guard cell, and between it there is an opening called a stoma, and this is the epidermis, the outermost layer of the plant, or we can say the outermost layer of the leaves. Now we will look every point. First of all, these each stoma is surrounded by or enclosed by two kidney shape, that is called a guard cell, and the concave side of the guard cell has minute opening. These minute openings are called stoma opening. Stomata are necessary for what? They are necessary for plant cell as they allow the exchange of gases with the atmosphere and also helps in the transpiration occurs through this stomata also. Stomata only. Now this epidermis layer is usually one celled thick. That means it is consist of mainly one layer of the cell. This is the combination of cells, and this is formed due to the one celled thick layer. We can say it wall also is covered with a waterproof coating, and in the upper side of this there is a coating present that is mainly waterproof, and which is called a cuticle. Now the function of this epidermis are, the first one is that it is a protective tissue, so it will protect the entire body, entire plant body. The second one says that it's protect the plants against mechanical injury. The third one says that it allows exchange of gases through stomata. Fourth one says that cuticle helps to reduce evaporation. Now this cuticle layering helps in the form of to decrease the rate of evaporation from the plant. The fifth one says that it prevents the plant from parasitic infection also. Now this was all about the epidermis of the plant. Now we are going to understand what is cork mean. What is this cork? Mainly this is not a badminton cork. This is a structure, or we can the outermost layer of the bark of a tree. This cork is also known by the bark of a tree. Mainly the cork is present outside the layer of the tree, and this epidermis is present in outside layer of the plant. This is the main difference, is known as the cork. It is made up of dead cell. Mainly plant cell bodies is made up of a living cell, but the cork is made up of a dead cell. Now, how is this cork formed? When plants grow older, the outermost protective layers undergoes changes, and the second meristem replaces it. The cells on the outermost layer cut off from the secondary layer. This cut off layer form the cork or the bark of the tree. The wall of the cork cell are thickened due to what? We all will, if you observe a tree cork, this is mainly thick in size, but if you observe an epidermis in the microscope, this is mainly one celled thick as compared to the cork. Cork is mainly thick due to the presence of, or we can say that due to the deposition of suberin. This is a substance that helps the cork to be become a thick. Now the wall of mainly, which also impart impermeability to the cork cell against the water and the gases. Now what is the function of cork? How they prevent or how they help the tree to be sustainable there? First of all, the cork helps to prevent the loss of water through the transpiration, or we can say the evaporation. The second point says that it protects the plant against mechanical injury and temperature extreme. Whenever the temperature increases, the most of the water molecules inside the tree get evaporated due to the high temperature. So it prevents it from the evaporation. That's why cork helps in many ways. Now in the next video we are going to complete the complex permanent tissues. This was all about the simple permanent tissue. Now the second type is the complex permanent tissue. Till then, thanks for watching.